Yeah, that's why I'm going to continue to allow that shit in my life. I'm done. I'm done being bossed around and treated like shit. Like, yeah, I'm going to sit here and enjoy the apartment I cleaned all day. Like, it just makes me so depressed that the only times he messages me is to obviously use me and degrade me, so... I've never had that from a man, and I'm not going to continue to allow that. It's just wrong. Very fucking wrong to do to someone. Also, this stuff won't come out. What was the point of buying this shit if it's not gonna work? Whatever. I should charge my shit. Like, why are they like, I really don't understand where they're coming from. Nor what the fuck they're attracted to. Are they coming out of the couch? Like, it just doesn't even make sense. Well, I was having a pretty okay day until he messaged me. What else is new? Stupid. Well, I don't know, chat. What the fuck should we do tonight then? I think we should keep cleaning shit out. And figure out a way to hang flypaper. Alright, what the fuck? This is insane. I'm literally sitting here getting attacked. He wouldn't want to come over anyway. He'd bitch and complain the whole time. I'm really...
Best friend Plank says, turn TDS on Polly.
I fixed it. I hope.
Best friend Plank says, Ope NVM.
Is it, better now? I don't know.
Hectic Stream says, at Best friend Plank IU.
So, I don't even know.
Best friend Plank says, IU.
What's up?
Cobra Demon says, where are the flies coming from?
They're coming from the fucking drain.
Insulright says, could it be the litter box?
No, that's completely cleaned and redone. I got brand new cat litter, did the whole fucking thing.
Hectic Stream says, looks cozy, Polly.
They're coming out of the fucking drain. So
Insulright says, damn.
So I keep shoving shit down the drain.
Holocaust says, bleach.
Bleach? They didn't see...
Insulright says, cover drain when not using maybe. Best friend Plank says, you dump bleach.
I dumped bleach. It did not work.
Cobra Demon says, how much long is Walmart get your shit to you?
It doesn't take very long when I do a Walmart order. But I've been using white vinegar and baking soda to make a little volcano, you know what I mean? And that seems to work in the drain.
Hectic Stream says, it's so pheromones fly traps.
Yeah, I got these for right now. Oh my god. It's really out of control.
Holocaust says, is there a garbage disposal?
No. But I got these, and I got this. Of course, that fucking barely sprays. Why the fuck would it?
Holocaust says, mine is broken and it's awful.
I'm just fucking...
Cobra Demon says, let's put those bad boys up.
We will. I'm gonna fucking smoke a cig and then we'll do that. Because I'm a nasty bitch, remember? It would not be any other way. Because I'm a nasty little bitch, by the way. With a nasty little stream that I apparently have been using...
Holocaust says, you need one of those sticky blue plug-in bug traps.
I almost got that today. I should have just fucking gotten that. It just doesn't even make sense. I should have just done that.
Cobra Demon says, you're a nasty little bitch, Polly. We love you for it.
It just wears somebody down so fucking much who's actually trying to, obviously not be depressed and clean and shit. When you torture them mentally and then degrade them. Like, that's just so disrespectful. I don't go into other people's home and tell them how the fuck they should live. So why the fuck are you gonna come into my house and tell me how the fuck I should live?
Holocaust says, Polly, are they also coming from the tub, maybe? Cobra Demon says, this is what happens when you have a fetish for men with micro penises.
Apparently so. Shit was not even good, dude. And I'll be 100% was not even that good.
Hectic Streams says, LMAO.
How can you be 6'4" and built like that? That's a fucking travesty. That's a fucking travesty.
Holocaust says, wait, he has a small dick.
It wasn't big to me. And he said that's because I get...
Best Friend Plank says, bad genetics.
He said that's because I get busted open all the time by big dicks. And I'm just used to nasty men fucking me. I don't think that's how it works. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that's how it works.
Holocaust says, cope. Hectic Stream says, damn, I guess I have bad genetics too. Sad face.
Damn.
Cobra Demon says, as Micro Lance called it, his penis is small, medium, or schmedium. Best Friend Plank says, I lucked out.
I said something to him too. He goes, you're dirty stream. It's so small. I go, it's a schmedium sized stream. It's schmedium.
Holocaust says, I would think a 6-foot dude would have a bat.
Dude, he's like almost 6'5". That's pretty much what I assumed too. But God always surprises me. Every fucking day with something new and stupid.
Cobra Demon says his pot belly is 6'5".
The thing is fucked. He should probably go to the gym. And he's like, you should go to the gym with me and blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to the fucking gym. Are you stupid?
Best Friend Plank says, heroin gives you a belly like that.
Does it really? Well, that sucks for him. He did heroin for a very long time, apparently.
Cobra Demon says his anal gape is 5 to 6 inches too after the fat Romania man pegs him. Best Friend Plank says, always constipated.
That sucks. I couldn't imagine. So I'm like deathly allergic to opiates, right? Like deathly. Like I will die if I do them. If I go to a hospital, I have to have like synthetic drugs. So I couldn't even fucking imagine. Really? Alright, this is like getting out of hand. Maybe they're freaking out because I took away all the garbage. Maybe that's the issue.
Best Friend Plank says they don't poop.
That sucks for him.
Cobra Demon says Lance could never be constipated. The shit just falls out of him.
Oh, in his fucking mouth too. He loves talking shit to me.
Best Friend Plank says, I told you when my exes ended up in that shit.
It's so bad.
Best Friend Plank says on.
It's so bad. I mean, I don't feel bad because, like, we all make our own choices in life. But when you care about somebody, it's, like, really fucking sad, actually. I hope you guys never fall in love with an addict. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Ever. I will pray that you never fucking fall in love with one. It is just literally everything they tell you about. It's just horrific. Especially when you're the other person that doesn't do shit like that.
Best Friend Plank says, been there, done that.
Oh, God, it's awful. I'm 31, just, like, experiencing it for, like, the first time ever.
Best Friend Plank says, shit, I've been the addict.
Apparently, I'm the alcoholic. I'm addicted to alcohol. And I can't stop drinking. Okay. Good one. Fucking good one.
Best friend Plank says, I drink a lot and smoke way too much weed. Cobra Demon says, well, that's a lie.
Do you see me waking up?
Best friend Plank says, I put all the hard stuff down years ago.
Yeah, I never really touched anything hard until Fancy Pants. I don't even want to tell you what he said to me the first day I met him. And if I wasn't drunk and streaming, I probably would have not even gone there. I probably would not have even gone there. Probably would not have even gone there. And then my phone died. And he helped me find my phone. And I ran back home at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Walked home, by the way. In literal fucking no underwear. Wet pants. Soaking wet pants from something spilling on them. No socks. Because I didn't want to be there. Like, I just wanted to go home. And I got up, got ready for the day. I can't even make this up. As soon as I was walking down the stairs, I heard somebody knocking on my door. Same exact time I was ready to leave. And he was standing there with 2 coffees. With a handwritten note. Like, it's like 1950s. And I'm like, do you want to go for a ride? Let's go for a ride. So I took him in the car and we went for a ride and drank coffee. And we never left each other's side since. Until now. And that was August 1st. Fun. I thought that was like a good sign. I thought that was like something. But you know what? That's like the existential absurdism of life, is there is no meaning to life, so you make your own meaning. And I clearly have tried to make a lot of meaning out of stupid things. And it's true. There is no meaning to life, so you better make your own. Crazy shit is always going to happen. I love how he just sits there and sees. Like, I've never met a man that does that. He's just sitting there seething. Like, go do something. Go talk to another woman. Like, you already do that. You already messaged my fucking best friend. Like, the fuck, dude? Go do something. Here, let me reset the things again. I don't know. I was gonna keep cleaning and just fucking... I don't know. That's the only thing to do now. Another night depressed. But you know what? I'd rather be doing this.
Cobra Demon says, speak up, Micro Lance, or can you not speak with such a small chin?
Doubtful. He barely has, like, teeth, so probably not.
Best Friend Plank says, make a damn account so we can bully you, Lance.
He should just learn how to fucking make a burner. Dude, just ask ChatGPT for a burner name. You don't even have to do anything. Just ask ChatGPT.
Cobra Demon says, Lance still has his baby teeth.
Like, what do you mean? He probably gets off that I just fucking sit here and talk shit about him.
Ryan Hare says, Lance is still waiting for his chin to drop.
My nose looks worse. It's a really pretty shade of yellow and green under there. But feels better than yesterday. Like, I feel like I could eat today. Yesterday I felt like I couldn't even eat. My teeth hurt so bad. I mean, they hurt pretty bad. But I could definitely eat today. Oh yeah, men, don't kick women in the face. Don't do that. That's genuinely... if they're on the floor crying, don't kick them.
Rhyme Hair says tacos sound good.
Don't kick women in the face.
Cobra Demon says, well, his inverted balls are never going to drop, so his chin is his only hope.
Accurate. Alright, we're gonna put up that fly tape.
Best Friend Plank says, you're obsessed with tacos.
Dude, Taco Bell sounds really good. I wish I had fucking money to go. It's kind of expensive, though, for, like, what you get. Or am I just, like, Jewish for saying that? Because why the fuck was... He was so mad the other day, too. He's like, I'm taking you... Well, we're going to Walmart. We're doing this. And you're getting something to eat because I said so. And I'm like, I don't...
Best Friend Plank says it used to be cheap.
He goes, you're getting something to eat because I fucking said so. And I go, I don't fucking want anything. He goes, well, you better fucking think of what you want. Because I'm getting you food and I'm taking you home and that's it. I'm like, well, I don't really fucking need anything. Especially from a man who hates me. And he's like, well, I go, well, just give me one taco. Taco Bell is like $4 fucking dollars. I could have gotten a meal at McDonald's. I could have gotten like the $5 bundle at McDonald's for that price. Like, it's sickening. That taco was good as fuck, though. God. That was one of the worst days I've ever had, too, that day. One of the worst motherfucking days I've ever had. Fuck that. I wish I had weed to smoke. He's mad that I'm always gonna stream. He's mad that I'm always going to fucking stream. Are you gonna...
Cobra Demon says, beer to drink is just as good though, right?
Do you know how isolating that is? Like, he's basically tried to take me away from my friends, family, and then my internet life.
Cobra Demon says, Micro Lance the content cuck.
That's kind of looking like shit. Whatever, though. There's not much I can do to cover this up. Like, you can only do so much. Like, seriously, you can only do so much. I had a dream.
My says, God damn it, Polly.
I had a dream about getting my nose cracked back in place, too. Almost. I can't yet. I'm gonna have to go to fucking urgent care. It's so crooked. It's so beyond fucking...
My says, you forgot to make me ma, by the way.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Cobra Demon says, drama queen, you can do it.
Drama queen. Yeah, you guys like the drama, though. Does that help you guys at least forget about your own fucking problems for a little bit? Just say yes, and then I feel better. As long as I'm providing some sort of...
Insulright says yes.
From your fucking life. That's all I really care about.
Cobra Demon says yes.
Hell yeah. Alright, then I don't feel too bad. Because I'm real. I could, like, be here all day, like, pretending to be somebody I'm not. Like, believe me, what you see is what you get. With this shit show. And, like, what am I going to do? Like, you guys are going to see my face and obviously be like, oh, did you fall? Yeah, I fell.
Cobra Demon says, what we see is what we get, like Polly Snot Pocket.
Dude. That upsets me. This actually upsets me. More than taking medication. More than abusing me. More than kicking me in the face, actually. Because this affects my daily life. You can see how that was visibly...
My says, looks like it's time to break some shit.
You can see that it was visibly twisted. You can see it was visibly twisted, dude. My mom's an optician. She's gonna be an optical surgeon. Like, what the fuck? They can see that they were fucking twisted in half. That's so wrong.
Cobra Demon says, Bubba Ray Dudley those glasses with some duct tape.
Fuck no, I'll just go... I'm gonna take the lenses out and get new frames. That is depressing. That is fucking wrong to do to someone. He goes, oh, I thought you just needed them for looks. I thought you wore them for looks. Yeah, I wore them for looks, buddy. Yeah, I wore them for looks, buddy. Stupid.
My says, try Super Glue Onk.
No, I'm just gonna get new frames. W close up.
Rhyme Hair says, if you have your prescription, you can order cheap glasses from Zenny.
Is that a good, like, online thing to order glasses, like frames? Because that's what I've been looking at this week is obviously the price of new glasses. I can't even worry about getting a new laptop.
Rhyme Hair says, tape not glue. Not enough surface for glue.
They're twisted in half. The fucking frames are fucked.
My says, I think Lance might be the problem here.
Yep, he kinda is.
Cobra Demon says, you might be onto something at Meist.
Yeah, no, he is a whole big problem.
My says, I think so too.
He's just so disrespectful. It doesn't even make sense. Plank. I wish the little emotes would come up. Thanks for all the follows today, guys.
My says, Lance, break all your shit, but why don't you break any of his shit?
Because, like, 2 wrongs don't make a fucking right. Holy fuck, my views have gone up.
Cobra Demon says, oh, but they do make a right. My says, exactly.
This is the highest my views have ever been. Like, I actually might be able to get verified. Very, 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 very close. Alright, now, hold on. Channel. And I'm doing okay for this month. I'm doing okay. We're gonna make all that shit back.
My says, I have a connection that can get you verified.
I'm gonna make all that shit back that he fucking took. Like, cake. Watch me. The only thing I would prefer to see higher, because my unique chatters are usually like...
Penske Who TF Stole My Name says Polly Hot Pocket.
Because I usually have like a lot...
Penske Who TF Stole My Name says, you got Hot Pocket slash.
What? My unique chatters are usually like skyrocketing. But they're doing alright. Like, I still meet the requirement by a lot. Okay. Stream. I have to do it the desktop version on a fucking shit-ass, scummy little phone. Wait, is it /? Yeah, it is /.
Best Friend Plank says, just stay consistent.
Yeah. No, that literally is. Like,
My says, is that an N-word phone?
It is.
Best Friend Plank says, do the DoorDash thing on get a new laptop.
That's the whole plan. I have to clean out my car. The whole thing. Alright, Mince, you should be able to, like, refresh. And Plank, I'm gonna give you a little badge if I can do it. Channel, chat.
Best Friend Plank says, huh?
I'll see if I can give you, if you'll let me do it.
Best Friend Plank says, I just took a blinker, my ears were ringing. I just heard Plank.
If it'll let me. Because it's so hard to do on this scummy fucking phone. It like won't let me search. Yeah, because it literally won't even let me turn my fucking phone. I wanted to give you a fucking badge. Wait. I got it. It just took me a million times. If you refresh, I gave you a VIP badge. Okay. Okay. What, is he mad I get like 100 views for doing nothing sometimes? I'm really confused because I could be on OnlyFans. Oh wow, maybe because I'm a nice, genuine person and I like to talk to people. Imagine that.
Holocaust says, how we earn badges.
I don't even know. I just give them out to people I like.
Best friend Plank says, thank you.
I just give them out to people that I like. There is really no way to earn them. I don't even know. Do you guys want to earn badges? I don't know. I feel like buying stuff and like doing stuff like that is kind of dumb. I basically give mod and badges away to people I like and I enjoy in my streams. Buying things, donating.
Best friend Plank says, I feel special.
Yeah, like some of my high donators have them, but like even then, like I don't like doing that because then that's also giving into like buying.
Cobra
whatever.
Demon says, LOL.
I should give you guys badges too.
My says, you should fire up the chatterbait. I heard you can make 30K a month on that shit.
I'm good. I'm fucking good. I'm also shy as fuck. Like, I'm good. You know what I mean? Like, that's just not
Tactical
funny.
Newport says yes.
Like, I'm shy as fucking. I don't like that shit.
Cobra Demon says, oh, I see how is Polly.
Yeah. Like,
Holocaust says, I was kidding. I don't want to buy your lurv.
I want to buy these flies death. How do I buy them death?
Have you seen Junior's grades?
Smoke and hang this shit up.